Yoga doesn't just stretch the body, it soothes the nervous system, rebalances hormones, and helps release emotional tension. Gentle postures like child's pose, legs up the wall, and mindful breathing signal safety to your brain, calming anxiety, one breath at a time. For postpartum recovery, yoga helps realign the spine, heal the pelvic floor, and rebuild core strength, while also easing baby blues and fatigue. Pair yoga with self-care, nourishing foods, daily journaling, and emotional check-ins. Healing is not linear, it's sacred. Yoga brings you back to your body, your breath, your calm. Whether you're healing from anxiety or postpartum changes, remember, you're not alone. This is Tamra Ayurveda, where ancient wisdom meets modern health.